Tap on the Ezitracker app to open it. Tap in the PIN box to enter in your PIN. Tap OK. If you arrive at your next site and you have not logged out from your previous site, tap on Logout. Scan the QR code of the site you want to log into. A page will open saying this is not the site you are currently logged into. Ensure I am logging into this site is selected. Tap Next. You will need to update the time you left your previous site. Tap on the box. Tap OK to set the date. Use the plus or minus buttons to set the hour and minutes. Tap OK to save the time. Tap OK to finish the logout process for your previous site. The status page should appear showing you are currently logged in at the correct site.